What the? I can't believe my eyes. Jesse, what have you done? Mr. White, so I, gathered the data and ran the algorithms, just like you showed me. And, well, I kinda tweaked some variables to make it look more interesting, to impress Hank over there. Hey, Walt, a little adjustment here and there never hurt anyone. We're just making things more, exciting.
What's going on here? Walter, explain this mess.
Jesse, you manipulated the variables. You just created a Simpson's bias. What now? Simpson's bias, Jesse, is when correlations in subgroups of data vanish, or even reverse when the data is aggregated. It can lead to false conclusions. Come on, Walt, it's just a little bias. No harm done. Let me break it down for you with a different example. Let's say we measure how good Python skills get with respect to practice. First-year students take more time to get started, yet their skills improve the more time they spend practicing. Same pattern applies to the second-year students. Their skills improve the more time they spend practicing. However, due to their past experience, their skills are generally better than first-year students, hence they require less time. Same logic applies to third-year students and fourth-year students. Note that the conclusion is quite obvious. On each one of these groups, the more time you spend practicing, the better you get. But if we ignored the fact that these are different groups and considered them as one group, we get an opposite conclusion. The more time you spend practicing, the worse you get. Ouch.
So you're drawing the wrong conclusions?
Exactly. And it can happen to all sorts of data sets. My bad, Mr. White. I just wanted to impress Hank.
Impress me with accurate data. Fix it, Pinkman.
We will find a way to spin this, kid. Don't worry. No, we won't. We need to address this head on. It's crucial to acknowledge and rectify biases in our data for a meaningful analysis. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Breaking Bias in Data Science, and don't forget to watch the rest of the episodes. And if you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe.